Welcome back, Kaspa Cast traders, lovers, investors. Moonboys on Twitter going mad. Kaspa is bouncing. Oh my God, Kaspa is bouncing. In this video, we're gonna talk about what's really happening, man, and things you need to know, okay? Because as a moon boy, as a lady boy, you're probably going to keep getting wrecked and not knowing what is happening. That's why you want to subscribe to this channel, because we're gonna keep you level-headed through the bear market of Kaspa Cast, okay? And we're gonna tell you when things changed to a bull market again or to a bullish rally again. We're gonna let you know. So subscribe, click the bell, subscribe our Twitter as well. And look, Kaspa is in a bear market, okay? You're below the 200-day MA, the 50-day MA, okay? As long as price is below, you see this level, 13 cent now, it is bearish as F, okay? If it can break back above these 30 cents, 13 cents, hold above it, the 15 cents, mark, hold it, base out, and you're gonna get a cross back up of the 50 above the 200, then you got yourself a bull market again. At the moment, you are in a bear market and assume more downside to continue. Now, what's happening, man? What's happening? It's just another short squeeze, short covering, okay? People that short Kaspa, like myself, we've been shorting Kaspa, making money on Kaspa, shorts through many, many times. We shorted it here, we shorted it here, we shorted it here as well, and we shorted it even here, man, okay? Now, it's getting oversold. People covering shorts, like myself, in profits, taking their profits, because at some point, you're gonna get a bounce, okay? This could be the moment of the Kaspa bounce. But again, don't be fooled, calling this a bottom, because it very likely is just another fake bounce. Or if it's a good one, it could be a relief rally, a relief rally. But still, expect bear market to resume once the rally is over. And really, my advice to you, do not buy Kaspa in a downtrend. Short the rallies, my friend. And really, if you want to short and get all our trade alerts and make filthy money on Kaspa bear market or bull market once it's going to come, join our community link below. Now, look, things to pay attention, sir, things you need to know, okay? If you don't watch charts and you just listen to the morons on Twitter, that calling every bottom a bottom, every low a bottom, you're going to get yourself completely blown out in this market. Okay, so they were calling for a bottom here, and they were calling for a bottom here. They called for a bottom here, and they called for a bottom here, and they called for a bottom here. Now, since then, you are wrecked more than 70% from this high, okay? From this high, you are wrecked 70%. People completely capitulate. There is no buyers. It's a bear market, my friend. Okay, the moon boys from the toilet will keep telling you to buy the dip because they have no idea what they're doing, and they're gonna get themselves washed away by the bear market. Just like every bear market, keep washing away these moon boys from the toilet. They disappear and they never come back. That's what's gonna happen to all the moon boys that are shilling Kaspa in a bear market. Now, you want to be accountable, you want to be realistic, okay? What is happening now is very simple, okay? We're making lower lows and lower highs, okay? Keep it simple. High, low. Lower high, low. Support lost, boom, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Okay, now things getting very, very extended to oversold. Once market reach extreme, people capitulate, you get usually a bounce, short squeeze, or a fake rally or relief rally, okay? So probably you're gonna get a rally. The question, is it gonna be a strong bear market rally or just another fake bounce before another move down, okay? Now, I'll tell you what I'm expecting, okay? What I'm expecting according to the chart, okay? Look, this lower high here was just a retest of this area, okay? This lower high here was a retest of the prior support, flip it to resistance. You can see that was a support, flip it to the resistance and came down. Now, what's probably going to happen, and also this, you can see these highs, these two highs were a prior resistance, flip it to resistance again, like the resistance, stay resistance. And here, we are expecting the same stuff to happen. The resistance, the prior support here at around the 8s will probably flip to resistance. And even if it's gonna break the 8, and the moon boys will keep shouting, yay, we bottom, yay. It's just gonna get rejected on the next resistance at around the 12, the 10 cent. Remember the 10-cent mark, the 10 to 11 cent mark, this line here, this zone here, it's probably gonna stay resistance for a very, very long time. I have to say it again and again and again because the people of Kaspa are brainwashed. They're living in a fairy tale fantasy land. And we are here to keep their heads connected to their bodies and their mind in the right place. Because if not, you're going to see Kaspa can stay in a bear market for many, many months to come and can easily go below the 1 cent mark. Yes, yes, it can. It can. It's in the realm of possibilities, and you don't wanna disregard this. Okay. Now, okay, so look, we are expecting a bounce now. Okay, at some point, whether it's gonna go a bit lower, to the 5, or to the 4, we're expecting a bounce because you got a major moon boys, support buying here. Okay, they buying the dip here if they have some money, they have some couple of dollars left in their wallets, so they're gonna buy here. They're gonna buy on the 5s, they're gonna buy on the 4s. So we're expecting some kind of a bounce here. It can be a strong bounce. Okay, it can be a strong bounce. But again, remember, my friend, you want to buy when the market shows you it's ready to reverse. You don't want to buy based on nonsense, moon boys, and you don't want to buy downtrends. You're still in a downtrend, okay? Keep it simple, mate. This trend line is the first thing you want to break. If it breaks that trend line, you want to see it holding above 12 cent. If it's holding above 12 cent, then if you are really, a Kaspa perma bull, you can scale into a position. Me, I'm going to let you know once I'm flip bullish on Kaspa. At the moment, for me, as long as it's below the 200-day EMA, closing below it, stay below it, and it's sloping down, I'm bearish on Kaspa, and I'm going to keep shorting the rallies, and make money on the way down. Sir, if you want to join our community, link below, man. Join us. Become a good trader, professional trader, make money both on the long side and both on the short side, and be profitable, man. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.